Reducing noun clauses to infinitive phrases, Part 1. In this lesson, you'll learn how to reduce certain noun clauses to infinitive phrases. An infinitive is the simple form of a verb, usually preceded by to. For example, to reduce. Can you tell me how to reduce noun clauses? Actually, this is an example of a reduced noun clause. The full clause would be how I can reduce noun clauses. Notice the question word how and the modal verb can. This represents our first group of noun clauses which can be reduced to infinitive phrases. These are noun clauses that begin with a question word and include the modal verb can, could, or should. Let's look at some examples. Will you tell me where I can get some ice cream? This is the full noun clause. To reduce it to an infinitive phrase, we simply remove I and can and add to make where to get. Will you tell me where to get some ice cream? Here's another example. My doctor told me why I should not eat ice cream. Why I should not eat ice cream is the full noun clause. It can be reduced to, my doctor told me why not to eat ice cream. We can do this same thing with noun clauses that have whether. For example, I'm not sure whether I should listen to my doctor or not. That ice cream looks pretty good. To reduce this, we'll say, I'm not sure whether to listen to my doctor or not. Ice cream is just too delicious. Careful. The subject in the main verb and the noun clause must be the same in order to reduce it to an infinitive phrase in the way that I just showed you. For example, Lisa wants to know how her child can improve his English skills. In this sentence, Lisa is the subject in the main clause, and her child is the subject in the noun clause, which means we cannot reduce it without changing the meaning. So we cannot say Lisa wants to know how to improve his English skills. It's confusing. Are we talking about Lisa or about her child? Okay, that concludes part 1 of reducing noun clauses to infinitive phrases. Watch part 2 to learn about 2 other types of noun clauses that can be reduced in the same way.